Hiya, 2018 Honda Civic, 1 litre petrol, 3-cylinder, timing belt, wet belt. It's a wet, it runs in oil. The cover's off, obviously. The sign that covers it all off. Right, to line the camshafts up, you've got some marks on here that you should line up with the casings. One there and one there and one there and one there, but I won't bother about them. You've got some good markings here, which when I get my spanner, I can show exactly where they go. So I've got my spanner on there. Now if you look on the camshaft there, there's a hole there, and then you turn the camshaft around and you can see the cutout there. Can you see the cutout? The cutout basically is, I'll zoom in, there, see the cutout there? That cutout there lines up in that hole. And you're supposed to have a special tool, but we ain't got a special tool. And the same again there. Oops, my spanner slipped off. Put my spanner back on. There, see the cutout there? It lines up in that hole. So I'm sure if you get a little bolt or something, line it up. Yeah. So roughly about, I would say, right there, from the top. That one's from the top. So they're lined up. And then your bottom pulley, on the pulley, that's your woodruff key. That's your timing mark, so it's not exactly top dead centre. I think it's passed up to the centre by the looks of it. And then obviously that sits onto the bottom there. Right, okay. So you've got them there, camshafts lined up. Then the bottom one you have, this is the old pulley case. Where's the old pulley? Right, okay, so now this is the old pulley, we've put a new pulley. Now it fits that way, and then that mark there lines up with that triangle, or that arrow, which is just above that one there. That mark there, we're going to turn it around and line it up to that. So it's just a bit over top dead centre, it's past top dead centre. This is bolt. Yeah. So basically when we line that up, that will be roughly, and then basically it's a procedure to put it all back together, which is not a 10-minute job, a bit of a nightmare. And now we'll show you where the marks line up. Right, okay, right, so now, Chris, we need to turn this, please. Okay. So basically what we do then is obviously, we're going to take that bolt back off, we're going to change the bolt. The bolt's not a very good one. So then we line up the bottom mark with the mark on the crank. If I can get the phone down there.